Ever been stranded with a dead car battery and get frustrated while trying to start the car engine? Can one compact device really jumpstart your vehicle and get you back on the road in seconds? Let's dive into NOCO Genius2 Smart Battery Charger and see if it lives up to the hype. About the product. Genius2, one of our most powerful, highest-performing, energy-efficient, and compact chargers yet. The Genius2 is a 6-volt and 12-volt battery charger, battery maintainer, and battery desulfator rated at 2 amps for lead-acid automotive, marine, and deep-cycle batteries, including flooded, gel, AGM, and maintenance-free, plus lithium-ion batteries. If you are interested in picking up NOCO Genius2 Smart Battery Charger, I've got you covered. Just check out the link in the description below to grab it on Amazon. Package included: Genius2 Battery Charger, mounting bracket and strap, heavy-duty precision battery clamps, user guide, self-tapping screws. Parts description: it includes mode button, overvoltage error LED, bad battery error LED, reverse polarity error LED, standby LED, charge LED, mode LED, press and hold mode LED, supply mode LED, repair mode LED, battery clamps. Using method. Step 1. Charge the Genius2. If a battery is too low to be detected, the Genius2 has a built-in force mode that can manually activate charging and start the recovery process. If the charger is plugged into AC power and connected to the battery but does not come out of standby, when the mode button is pressed, force charge might be required. It likely means the battery is too low to be detected. To access force mode, ensure the charger is connected to AC power and has a secure connection to the battery. Then press and hold the mode button for approximately 7 seconds. Once active, all available modes will flash. Toggle through the modes by pressing the mode button until the correct one is selected. The charged LEDs will begin to chase, indicating the force mode is charging. After 5 minutes, Genius will return to the selected charge mode. Step 2. Connect to the battery. Connect the positive, red HD battery clamp to the positive battery terminal. Connect the negative, black HD battery clamp to the negative battery terminal or vehicle chassis. Step 3. Jump starting. Power on the unit. The LED will flash. Each LED shows 25% battery. When the charging is complete, green light will illuminate. The flashing green light means it is providing the ongoing maintenance and optimization. Start the vehicle. Once the vehicle is on, disconnect the clamps in reverse order to disconnect the device. Specifications. Warnings. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and check the link in description to grab your NOCO Genius2 Smart Battery Charger. Thanks for watching.